How to fix Mint Mobile no service after activation. Here's a concise guide to fix Mint Mobile no service after activation. Restart your phone. Turn off your phone, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. For physical SIM users, remove and reinsert the card to restart on the network. For eSIM users, turn it off and back on to refresh your network. Verify your location using Mint's coverage map. Ensure airplane mode is off. Ensure your phone's software is up to date. Try turning off Wi-Fi calling to avoid interference. Manually select a network if automatic selection fails. Perform a force restart to refresh your phone. Reset network settings if issues persist. If unresolved, contact main customer service. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.